Hi, we got many questions when the user asks how can we merge different worksheets or workbooks in one workbook for analysis or for any reason. Here we have 4 different workbooks with the exact same structure but with different data. So we have one file for the full-time staff members, others for the half-time staff member, third for the hourly rate, and the last ones for corporate. Now I need to merge all of them in one file. We will do so using the CMD, the old command interface. The first step is to remove the header row from all the files and save them as CSV. So I'm going to press F12 for save as. This is a contract, so I will keep the same name, but I will choose comma delimited, CSV. DOS or comma delimited Windows, it doesn't make any difference. So this is the first one. I'll do the same with hourly rate. This warning is telling you that you will lose some features, and of course you will. I'll do the same with the other 2 files. So now we have 4 files with comma separated values. I will open the CMD using Windows with R, open command line. My folder is in the E partition, so I'm going to switch the cursor to E using E colon. All the file in a test folder, so I use CD for change directory with the directory name, which is test. Now all I need is to copy any file with CSV to a new file with a new name, let's say new CSV. Once I hit enter, in just 1 second, you will get a new file with the name you type, with all the data merged and combined in one file. So, as you can see, after the contract, we have the full time, and so that's it.